Hello, my dear viewers, students. Greetings and welcome you all. You are watching Gilani Sir. Today, I am here with another topic I have learned today related with the previous one. What is that? Only perfect square number has odd number of factors. That means between 1 to 100 there are total 10 number that have perfect square. Number 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. That's are the perfect square number from 1 to 10. So what we get, it has the perfect square number only has odd number of factors. That means either it have some 1, some has 3, some have 5, or maybe some have 7. So we will try. Number 1 is only one has only one factor. Number 4 has only what factor? 3 factor, 1, 2 and 4. 9 also has how many factor? 1, 3 and 9, 3 factor. 16 how many factor? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16, 5 factors. Like 25, yes, we only 3 factor. Prime number square has only 3 factor. 36, 6 square, 6 square of 6, 36. So it will have how many factor? 1, 2, 3, 6 and 12 and 18 and 36. So it has 7 factor. How many factor? It has 7 factor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and 18. So I will try to demonstrate this 36 as how many factor. So it will easy to, if you want to find factor, just write 6 into 6. Then if you will prime factorization 2 into 3 and 2 into 3. So what will be the factor it will be have? Like 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 2 is 4, 4, 3 2 is 6, so 6. Then 3, 4, 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. Then 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12, 3, 36. Or other factor 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18. And last one is 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe I am missing someone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 that was 12 and so let me check here where I am mistaken. So I pause. So what will be, how many factors 36 have? 36 have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 factor 36 have. Okay, so many factors, but that is all only have odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, then 9, then 12, then 18 and 36. So total 9 factor it have. So you see here all the numbers have perfect square number have odd factor. So on 49 how many factor? Here is only 3 factor because it is have the square of prime number. 64, that's all that's why how many factor, like 1 2 4 8, then 16 8, then 16, and then 32, then 64, total 7 factor. So it is also have odd number of factor. And 81, how many factor? 1, then 3, then 9, then 27, then 81. So it have 5 factor, like this way. 100, 1 2 5 10 25 50 100. How many factors? 7 factors. So all have, I see, either some has 1 factor, some has 3, some has 5, some have 7, some have 9, like 36 has 9 factor. And so 1 2 1 3 5 7 9 all are having all odd number of factor. I've checked. The total number of 1 to 10 having odd number of factors have 10. The number of odd number having factors between 1 to 100 is how many? 10 number. Only 10 number have odd number of factors, like either 1, either 3, either 5 or 7 or 9. So that's counting is 10. Even number of factors, a odd number of factors I have find. Even number of factors 1 to 10, 1 to 100, sorry, even number of factors 1 to 100 is what? 100 minus 10. The total 1 to 100 count number, in which 10 number have odd number of factors. So if the rest of them will be even. So 10 minus 100 will be 90. So total 90 numbers have even number of factors, either 2, either 4, either 6. Like 2 have all the prime number have two factors. I've written here also 2 factors numbers between 1 to 100 is 25. All the prime numbers. All the prime numbers have only 2 factors. The 2 factor number between 1 to 100. I know in previous video I understand about in previous video what the how many numbers prime number I learned there. 1 has only 1 factor. 3 factors number only. Previous video I've just studied all the square of prime factor number have only 3 factors. So that's the 4 number that have 3 factors number from 1 to 100. So 1 has only 1 factor. 2 factor numbers is 25. 3 factor numbers is 4. So more than 3 factor numbers what will be? If we minus from 100 this sum, to 25 plus 4 29 plus 1 30. So 100 minus 30 will become 70. That means the 70 numbers have more than 3 number of factors, either 4, either 5, either 6, either 7, either 8, either 9. So all the counting of factors from 1 to 100 we have learned. So how many numbers have 1 factors, how many numbers have 2 factors, how many number have 3 factors, how many numbers have more than 3 factors, how many numbers have even factors, how many numbers have odd factors. So hope this is the short video for you to understand the number of factors between 1 to 100. So in the next video we'll meet with another topics. So keep watching, like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.